Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching from. Today I'm going to show you another app which you can use to make money, or which you can use to buy airtime for yourself at a very affordable price. And you can also do other things like um, payment of electricity, buying pins, result pins, and the rest. So, and we are going to, so by the time I'm showing you this, you compare this to my previous video, and you know the one that shoots for you, the one that you feel that it is okay for you. Actually, and on my own opinion, I will recommend this one for you because the rate is it's a little bit lesser than the previous video I posted, but the both are doing well. You can actually make money from the both apps. So today I will just scan you through and show you things that you need to know about this app. So without wasting much time, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. That is the only way you are going to encourage me to be posting things like this. That is the only way you can compensate me for showing you this update. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So this is the app. As you can see, this is the interface of the app. As you can see, I have 203 naira. It was actually 500 and something. So okay, it was 400 and something. So I used is it yes two I used 249. Let me check what I the rate I bought the data. Sorry, it's loading. Okay, as you can see, we have Airtel, we have Nine Mobile, Glo, and MTN. So I normally use MTN SME 2.0 corporate gift, or you can decide to use both. But let me show you something. This how much I bought. I bought 1 gig. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let me check. Okay, 1 gig for 30 days is 249 naira, while 500 MB for 30 days is 125 naira. So I will leave the link of this app in my comment box, since my account is not verified yet for me to be posting links on my description. So you go in there and click on the link and download the app. Then you can fund your wallet, make money with it, or you can rather use it for your own benefit. So let me go back and show you another thing. So once you are on this platform, you can make use of different network, any network of your desire. So here is our dashboard about the app. You can read about the app, the pricings, and the rest. You can see this affiliate. You can use it for affiliate, commission rate, and the rest. This commission rate, the commission rate you can actually refer somebody once the person maybe deposit, you can get a little commission from it. So let me go back. All right, so this is how to fund. Let me show you how to fund your wallet. Once you click on these three lines at the left corner of your screen, you click on the three lines. You can see buy data, you see buy airtime, you see cable subscription, that is your electricity bills. You can see utility bills. Fund this way you fund your wallet. Where you see fund wallet, you click on fund wallet. Click on fund wallet. Okay, once you click on the fund wallet, you can make payment with your card. You can also make payment with bank transfer. So you can decide to use any one of your choice. They have a visual account for you. If you want to do bank transfer, you can see this. Once you have this, once you create account on this app, or yes, on this app, they will give you an account, a visual account that is personalized to you. You can see I have two accounts here. I can decide to deposit money to any of the two accounts, either Money Point Microfinance Bank or Wema Bank, using these account numbers. So that is it. And you can pay with card. You just put the amount you want to. Once you put the amount you want to buy, they will show you where to put details like your card details, your CVV, and your expiring date, and you click on continue, and the money will be debited from your account to this wallet. So that is how to fund your wallet. So from here you see withdraw earnings. You can actually make money from this app if actually you register on this app. You send your referral links to your friends to follow and benefit from the app. From by depositing money to the app, they can also use it for arbitrage as well. You are also making money from the small commission from their deposits. So that is all about it. So once you see withdrawal history, you can check your withdrawal history here. So once you reach the minimum payout, you can cash out, you can withdraw it. So this is all about this GSUBZ. So you can actually give it a try. It's a very nice app. You can buy airtime at a very low rate, and maybe at times sell it to some of your guys that are not aware of this app. Or maybe you don't want to be too greedy as I am, you can also share the app with them. They follow and enjoy the amazing app. So thank you very much for your time, and please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, so that next time I drop a video like this, you will be the first to get notified or be the first to watch. Thank you very much.